Black Label's The Champions Call documentary. I'm a documentary guy. Absolutely enjoyed the emotion, the storytelling that came with this documentary. And the episode 2 will be airing this Saturday at 7:30 right here on the SABC Sport. Now let's check out what episode 2 is looking like.
Mfundo Vilakazi.
This one really like blind kakhulu.
Mfundo introduce ama-fans to South African football or to the professional level, and of which ingenza ukuthi ngijabulise kakhulu ukuthi people love him, love his talent.
These DDC players had so much to offer.
You see that last part, this time now also inclusive of DDC. That's the magic for me.
Uthi ngivotela ama-fans for i-Calling Black Label Cup ngatshelwa ucoach Reveiro, coach with DDC.
It's the first staging of this Calling Cup All-Star game here. Stellies.
It is the Stars up against the Kings.
Before game iqala, coach Jose usitshelile thina laba abancane abakuphuma ku-DDC ukuthi kahle kahle le game le eyethu.
Mfundo Vilakazi, obrigado.
Coach, what's that smile about? You're watching that and you had a moment there.
It was a nice day. It's always nice to, in the end, for us to have the opportunity to be part of the career of these guys, especially the young ones. You know that they're living exceptional moments in their lives, and for you to be part of that journey, it's something that, for me at least, will never change. It's always something very, very, emotional.
And I'm glad you said that, Coach, because when you look at the starting 11 as it is now, voted for by you, the champion fans, and maybe one of the ones that's going to be picked to be part of this great, great experiment to see, are you going to be the champion, Coach? The one thing that makes this unique, Coach, is